My name is Jose Serrano. I'm the general manager for Remodeling Closet Company.
Hi, this is Susie. I am here at the Home Design Remodeling Show. I'm with Bella. We do stretch ceilings and walls.
Hi, my name is Andrea Williams, and I am with LBU Lighting of Deerfield Beach at the corporate office.
Peter Hernandez, President, Turf Tech Pros.
Hey everyone, my name is Ailek. I'm with Aviv Air Conditioning. I've been coming to the home shows for about 8 years now. My babies literally have grown up at the home shows.
Good afternoon, my name is Tomer Mulaim with Oro Designs over here representing the Tile Empire and many of our beautiful tiles over here. This is our first year in the home show.
Already the fourth home show that we've participated in.
We started with the home show in the Fort Lauderdale location and had tremendous success and decided that we wanted to continue with the success down in Miami-Wynwood.
We've been doing this every year now for about 4 years, and it's just something that I can't stop recommending.
We've seen here people from many years ago that we've actually sold. We bump into them here and it's like, you realize where they came from. It was a connection from an old lead at another home show.
We had, up until now, a lot of encounters, a lot of people interested in our product. We made a couple of sales in the last couple of days. Really amazing environment, amazing vibes. We're really loving it over here.
We continue to do them because it's been nothing but a blessing. We get constant work out of them. We get jobs from right after the show. We saw jobs at the show, and we even get jobs like months after the show. I encourage everyone that is considering to do the home shows to come and do them. It's a blessing. It'll definitely help your business with the growth, the exposure, the marketing. It's a great thing.
People come here because they're looking for solutions. They're looking for opportunity.
It's a great opportunity to generate leads and meet people in the industry. Even if it's not a direct client, it could be someone that could bring you clients. I mean, there is just so much benefits from being here, not just for getting sales, but also getting other partners and vendors that will help you in your business as well.
The awareness and the brand awareness has been amazing at the home show.
Experience this year has been really good. We've had a lot of foot traffic, especially today. We really are excited about the new location here in Wynwood. It's been a great experience, nice young crowd, intrigued, and got nothing but good things to say.
And it's trending. Wynwood is a great area for clients because it's something that's happening. It's new, it's great, it's modern. It's crazy. People would love to come into Wynwood as a solution for a home show. It's looking good.
The difference about being in the home design show is they do the marketing for you, getting everybody into the place in one spot, bringing all the customers to you, instead of you need to chase after them. We like the show so much that we secured the first spot in the house for next year already.
You see all kinds of demographics. We see from the young crowd to new homeowners to people that like our parents or grandparents, all kinds of demographics.
Adam has been completely amazing to deal with. He has returned phone calls at all hours of the evening. And Steve, I had my first experience with him on Friday evening with just a simple printout, and he went above and beyond in order to accommodate us.
My experience is you guys have to come and check it out, and it's just something you gotta do.